Dozens of suspected drug dealers are off the streets after a 3-county drug bust in Northeast Ohio. Kristen Severance with our partners at the Ohio News Network joins us now with that story. Chris, most of these dealers were from out of state.
Lee, that's what detectives tell me. They say that these suspects set up shop in Ohio and sold things like heroin and meth in 3 different counties. That's Holmes, Medina, and Wayne counties. And they hope that this roundup sends a message to anyone else hoping to come here and do the same thing. Authorities arrested 43 people in a 3-county drug bust Tuesday night.
Number 44 just turned herself in.
Detectives say number 44 was indicted for manufacturing methamphetamine and assembling chemicals. She was booked at the Wayne County Jail Wednesday. All the arrests were drug-related and made by the Medway Drug Enforcement Agency. The covert agency serves Wayne, Medina, and Holmes counties.
We're very fortunate to have a drug unit specifically designed for drug enforcement. It eliminates a lot of the street activity for us. We pass along the information to an off-site agency for their support, collective intelligence to move along in the drug culture world.
This latest bust was part of an 11-month investigation.
We had a big problem with out-of-town people from Detroit, Chicago. We saw a large increase in heroin and methamphetamine production.
Now these out-of-towners and suspected drug dealers have a new place to stay: jail.
Drugs probably now are the #1 influence on crime in the area, in the nation, and if we can somehow put a dent in that, we'll put a dent in overall crime statistics.
Now, authorities set out to arrest 74 people, so while they have a lot, there are still dozens more out there. If you know anything, you're urged to call the Medway Drug Task Force. Live in downtown Cleveland, I'm Kristen Severance, the Ohio News Network.